forward. Finally, the House resolved that the General of Rivers State be given effort to the dissolution of the House and suspend the payment of salaries. That is the only way, because nobody, if you are not a member of the Rivers House of Assembly, you cannot be paid salary as an assembly member. For this purpose, I pray, Lord, that the needful should be done. Thank you, and God bless.
Distinguished members of the Assembly, on the motion to declare the seat of 25 defected members of the Rivers House of Assembly vacant. This House received correspondence, notices, and publications, including letters from 25 members of the Rivers State House of Assembly of their former defection from the People's Democratic Party to the All Progressive Congress. And we have also confirmed this visually, including videos that were posted via media houses and including the social media. We are aware that it is the rights members and every Nigerian regards freedom of association. While we respect that constitutional right, we're also mindful as a legislative assembly of our allegiance to the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999, as amended, and our oath of office to defend the Constitution, which is the ground norm of the country and the authority from which every other law derives its power. Therefore, as a legislative assembly with leadership, I'm aware that the actions of these honorable members and colleagues of the House who have been on suspension is a gross violation of the Constitution, which provides that a member of this State House of Assembly shall only defect to another party other than the party on whose platform they were elected to the House, where there is a division or crisis in the parent party. We are aware that there is no division or crisis in our great party, the People's Democratic Party, and therefore the provision of Section 109, Sub 1, Paragraph G of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria as amended attracts a vacation of the seats of these honorable members of the House. Distinguished colleagues, you are aware that from the national leadership of the People's Democratic Party, there is no crisis, there is no division, as we have only one national chairman, one national working committee, one national executive committee, one board of trustees. And in Rivers State, we have one state executive committee, state working committee led by the Honorable Aaron Chukwemeka as chairman, acting chairman. We also have 23 party chairmen and the executive, 319 ward chairmen and the executive. So clearly, there is no crisis in the People's Democratic Party. Consequently, distinguished colleagues, the House, having deliberated formally on the motion before it in line with our standing order and the Constitution of 1999 of the Federal Republic of Nigeria as amended, I hereby declare the seats of the following honorable members of the Rivers State House of Assembly vacant.